Why does every forward-thinking organization emphasize on objectives and key results, also known as OKRs? Well, it's simple. OKRs provide a clear and concrete way to map out a company's vision, align teams, and drive focus towards achieving pivotal goals. So, how does one set and align OKRs in an organization? It's a systematic process that, when done right, can transform the way your organization operates. Step 1. Define clear objectives. Objectives are what you want to achieve. They should be ambitious and inspiring, yet realistic. They are qualitative and define the direction you want to move in. Step 2. Identify key results. Key results are the measurable steps that need to be taken to achieve the objectives. They should be quantifiable, time-bound, and achievable. Step 3. Align OKRs across teams. This is a crucial step that ensures everyone is working towards the same overarching goals. It promotes cross-functional collaboration and breaks down silos within the organization. Step 4. Communicate OKRs transparently. Everyone in the organization should be aware of the OKRs. This ensures everyone understands the direction the organization is heading in and their role in getting there. Step 5. Track and reassess OKRs. Regularly tracking progress against key results keeps everyone accountable and provides an opportunity to pivot or adjust as necessary. Now, let's summarize. OKRs are integral to driving focus and creating alignment within an organization. They start with defining ambitious objectives, followed by identifying measurable key results. Once these are in place, it is essential to align them across teams, communicate them transparently, and regularly track and reassess them. Remember, the power of OKRs lies in their ability to provide a clear path forward, align teams, and drive focus. The magic happens when every individual in the organization understands how their work contributes to the overarching objectives. So, if you're looking to transform your organization, start with setting and aligning OKRs. It's a strategic move that can lead to remarkable results.